Have you ever wondered how coffee makes its journey from a small red fruit on a tree to the rich, aromatic drink in your cup? Today, we're stepping inside the complete coffee making process, following every stage from freshly harvested coffee cherries to perfectly roasted and packaged coffee. The journey begins on coffee plantations, where ripe red coffee cherries are carefully handpicked. Farmers select only fully ripe cherries because their sugar content directly affects flavor. Once harvested, the cherries are quickly transported to the processing facility to prevent fermentation from starting too early. At the factory, the cherries are first sorted using water channels. High quality cherries sink, while damaged or underripe ones float and are removed. The selected cherries then move into pulping machines, where rotating rollers remove the outer skin and pulp, revealing the coffee beans inside, still coated with a sticky layer called mucilage. Next, the beans enter fermentation tanks. Here, natural enzymes break down the mucilage over several hours. This step is crucial as it develops the coffee's flavor complexity. Once fermentation is complete, the beans are washed thoroughly with clean water, removing any remaining residue and stopping the fermentation process at the right moment. The washed beans, now known as parchment coffee, are dried. In traditional settings, they are spread across large patios under the sun and turned regularly to ensure even drying. In modern factories, mechanical dryers speed up this process with controlled heat and airflow. The goal is to reduce moisture to a stable level while protecting the bean's internal structure. Once dried, the beans move to hulling machines. These machines remove the dry parchment layer, revealing green coffee beans. The beans are then graded using vibrating screens and electronic color sorters. Cameras scan each bean, and air jets instantly remove defective ones. After grading, the green coffee beans are weighed and packed into labeled sacks. These sacks are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain freshness until roasting. Temperature and humidity are closely monitored as green beans are sensitive to environmental changes. The transformation truly begins during roasting. Green beans are poured into large rotating roasting drums where heat triggers chemical reactions inside the beans. As the temperature rises, the beans change color from green to yellow, then to light brown. During the first crack, the beans expand as moisture escapes. Roasters carefully monitor time and temperature, adjusting airflow and heat to shape the final flavor. As roasting continues, the beans deepen in color and aroma intensifies. For darker roasts, oils begin to appear on the surface. Once the desired roast level is reached, the beans are released into cooling trays. Powerful fans and rotating arms rapidly cool them, stopping the roasting process instantly and locking in flavor. After cooling, the beans are cleaned of chaff, the thin husk released during roasting. The roasted beans are then either packaged whole or sent to grinding machines. Industrial grinders use precision burrs to produce consistent particle sizes, whether for espresso, filter coffee, or instant brewing methods. The ground coffee is measured and filled into packaging machines. To preserve freshness, many packages are flushed with nitrogen to remove oxygen. Bags are sealed, labeled with roast dates and batch codes, and passed through inspection systems to ensure quality and safety. Finally, the finished coffee products are boxed, palletized, and stored in warehouses before being loaded onto trucks. From plantations to processing plants, roasting facilities to packaging lines, each step is carefully controlled to deliver the rich aroma and flavor coffee lovers expect. This entire journey from cherry to cup combines tradition, science, and modern technology,